how to withdraw money from Bitcoin Miner game. Here's what you want to do. Open up the game itself and you want to earn some in-game currency first. So just give it some time here. You will see that 0.1 is called a Satoshi. So here you just want to get currency, and at the top you will see this cash out button. So click on cash out and it's going to tell us that we have collected Bitcoin 3 Satoshi tokens. So how this is going to work, you will need to get a ZBD wallet. So you can either download ZBD app here, or you can use the website to sign into your account if you already have a ZBD wallet, and you can cash out 25 of these tokens for Bitcoin, and you will receive that Bitcoin in your in your crypto wallet. So how this works, basically they get part of their earnings from ad revenue and they use it to make it possible for you to receive some Bitcoin. And that's basically how it works. You play the game, you earn these tokens, and you cash out to your ZBD crypto wallet. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.